In this video, let us see how you can verify your Meta Business account. Once you have registered with your WhatsApp Business API account, click on these three dots and click on Complete Business Verification. This will automatically take you to the correct page from which you need to apply for Meta Business Verification. So before doing this, there are 4 things that you need to be prepared with. First is government registration certificate with the company's name, address proof in company's name and address, and phone numbers in some cases. Third, you need to have a website with HTTPS, that is SSL, and mention of your business legal name in the footer. And fourth is an email ID with the website domain. Now once you have all these things ready, here you'll get the option of Start Verification. Click on Get Started. Now just in case you're confused what documents would work for you, click on the option of Accepted Documents here and Meta will guide you. You need to ensure that these details are exactly as per your legal document, and it should be same character by character. Now click on the next option. Now upload appropriate documents as requested by Meta. These documents vary from business to business or country to country. Next, you should always verify with your email first for the contact method verification. Now this email needs to be with your website domain, which is also known as a business or a professional email. You'll receive an OTP in the email ID from Meta Business team. It should take few minutes at the max. You also need to verify the phone number. This is not required for all the businesses, but you might need to do it. You can request phone call or SMS verification. So while I'm waiting for the OTP, let us see what you need to do with the website footer. So the website footer should have your business name exactly as per your document. I'll just click on resend code because I haven't received the OTP yet. You can also go back and select the voice option. Once you submit the OTP, it would take approximately 2 working days for Meta to review and verify your business. Just in case there's an issue with Meta or your documents, you'll find more details here itself. Thank you.